YouTube, everyday guy here. April 3rd, I believe, and this cold, brisk Canadian day. I've done some considerable changes to my everyday carry in the last couple of weeks, so I figured I would do a update for April of 2016. Still carrying the Swell water bottle. Still a great water bottle. Greatly enjoy it. Like to always have water with me to keep me hydrated. New phone case for my new phone. I am rocking the Galaxy S7. Case is standing in for the phone because I'm recording on it. Switched out the wallet. Had a leather Swiss gear. Now I got this Swiss gear. I've had both of them for a couple of years. I tend to rotate back and forth. It's a really good wallet. It's a lot slimmer. I still have my 3 or 4 feet of duct tape and my Robinson bit for my Leatherman. Watch is still my original Gear, Samsung Gear watch. It works with my new phone, so that's a good thing. Keys. It's got this camo and orange paracord key fob lanyard, I guess. Always keep it clipped to the outside of my pants. Just house keys, gate keys, truck fob, a little mini pry bar, a Victorinox Classic SD. Always have my keys with me. I make paracord stuff, so I get to swap out different lanyards and fobs and colors and all that fun stuff. Paracord bracelet. Again, I got lots of different styles and colors. That happens to be the one I got on today. Paracord necklace. I'm still rocking the Coast 2 AAA flashlight. I can't remember the lumen output, but it does the trick. It's a simple on-off system. I don't like to have a bunch of modes I have to filter through. I like to be able to pull my flashlight out, need it, have it, use it. Sharpie, a Sharpie pen. I like the way the Sharpie pens tend to write. I got Burt's Bees chapstick. These cold days, my lips get all chapped up. I work outside, so it's always nice to have chapstick. Converse case. I'm a big fan of Converse shoes. I do wear glasses. These are my shades that are the same frames as my normal glasses. Which currently are darkened up because they're transitions. Mini Bic. Always like to have a lighter on me. This one just happens to have some duct tape wrapped around it for quick access to duct tape. Pocket knives. Currently got the Gonzo G727M in orange. Currently rocking this one. And I'm bouncing in between that and the Gonzo G729 in Digicam. I'm using both of these knives back and forth to see how they're holding up. I can say for the couple of weeks that I've had them, for the cost, these knives are fantastic. You definitely cannot go wrong with those knives. And of course, my Leatherman Wave with the pocket clip accessory. A fantastic multi-tool. Can't say enough about it. Absolutely love this thing. It's got a great tool set on it. I use this when I'm hiking, carrying around with me, working in my yard, whatever. It's definitely a fantastic tool with some great tools, scissors and everything. Because I wear glasses, this little thing is fantastic. It helps me keep my glasses nice and tight when they loosen up. Again, the bit driver, I love having this thing. I keep the Robinson bit. For the Canadians that know what a Robinson bit is, I keep that in my wallet, so I always have a flathead, a Phillips, and a Robinson, which are very common screw types here in Canada. All around great multi-tool. Oh yeah, hat. I always carry a hat. There's people that have known me for years that only ever seen me in a hat. So there it is. That is my everyday carry for the month of April. It is pretty cold outside today, considering that literally just about 2 days ago it was 18 degrees Celsius and sunny, and today it's probably about -4 with the wind chill, -5 with the wind chill, and snow and icy, so it's definitely a switch to the system. So there it is, my everyday carry for this month. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you're carrying, and I hope you enjoy the video. This is Everyday Guy, and I'm out.